everyone, welcome back to my channel. In my previous few videos, we discussed about writing effective test cases, how to execute them, using metrics to capture a good test summary report. Today we'll be discussing how all of these and many more can be managed under one roof, which is test management. So let's get started. Effective test management is a critical part of developing high-quality software. Test management most refers to the activities of managing the software testing process. It is the practice of organizing and controlling the process and artifacts required for the testing effort. A test management tool is usually used to manage these activities. The need to manage increasingly complex software products has resulted in the need for smart test management practices across every project. As complexity increases and as teams become more widely distributed across different geographical locations, an effective test management process is key to project success. The general goal of test management is to allow teams to plan, develop, execute, and access all testing activities within the overall software development effort. The main characteristics of any test management tool is to manage test deliverables like defining test plan, test strategy, creating test cases, etc. Scheduling the test cases to be executed. We can also group test cases which can be executed for a release. During execution, defects would also be added into the test management tool and the defect life cycle can be maintained. Test management tool makes defect tracking simple. Managing the test activities. For example, time spent for test case designing, execution, etc. Traceability of test case, test results, and defects to requirements can be managed by the test management tool. Quantitative analysis using metrics and reporting can easily be done using the test management tool. Test management tool help to collect, organize, and communicate information about the testing of a project. In addition to the software and hardware test artifacts and resources, test management must coordinate the efforts of all project team members involved in the testing effort. Some of them are requirement management, change management, configuration management. Configuration management is important to test management because tracking which builds to test at what time is crucial to testing. Configuration management controls the builds as well as the environment that are tracked by the test management for test execution. So this was a short and simple video that we discussed on test management. I hope you have enjoyed this video. For more such information, please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Until next video, happy testing!